Roy's off stage.
It's Roy.
Roy's in.
It's Roy.
If you give a Roy a cookie, he's going to ask for milk.
Let me share my screen.
Who the fuck just said that?
Because I don't have
Why does Roy have veins on his neck like that, bro? Like
Paper cut and it's over.
paper cut and it's over. Yeah.
Nail him.
He said to Roy, how's the weather outside? Whenever he's sad, it's raining.
Golden Toast. What is that bottle, bro?
Sorry, it's an alcohol bottle, but it's filled with water. 1.7 liters. It's worth it.
Chug the entire
about a week.
thing.
Also, by the way, guys, if you hear snoring in the background, my dad is just sleeping on my bed. Don't worry about it.
I'm sure that isn't a screen.
Bro, shut up, shut up.
I heard it for
like.
Yo, everybody shut up.
Wait, so quiet, so quiet.
I'll bring the microphone closer to him. Hold on.
Wait, shush.
You want to hear it again?
Is someone sleeping?
It's his dad.
That's my dad.
His
That's my
dad's
dad.
sleeping in his bed.
Yo, Uber, you better wake my dad up with that, bro.
Roy,
What?
do the next
Start a
one.
concert. Start a
I'm gonna
concert.
get my. Yo, don't start a concert.
I will be the lead singer.
What?
Yo. I'm gay. Yo, mama gay. Yo, father gay. Yo, whole family gay.
Yo, micro block sucking on Uber's cock. You know we run up on you in your fucking block. We run up on you. No fucking Patrick Rock.